Today, we're taking a closer look at a flagship head-to-head comparison between the Mova Mobius 60 and the Roborock Qrevo CurvX, two premium robot vacuum and mop systems built around high suction power, advanced obstacle handling, and fully automated docks. Mova is sponsoring this video, and you can find links to both models down in the description. In this breakdown, we'll cover pricing, navigation, obstacle clearance, vacuuming and mopping systems, and dock automation so you can clearly see how they stack up. Starting with price, at the time of filming, the Mova Mobius 60 comes in at roughly $300 less than the Roborock Qrevo CurvX. Both sit firmly in the flagship tier, but that pricing difference makes this an interesting comparison. The Mobius 60 positions itself as a high-performance flagship with aggressive hardware specs, while the Qrevo CurvX leans into Roborock's premium ecosystem and refinement. So this becomes less about budget versus premium and more about two different flagship approaches. For navigation and obstacle avoidance, both robots use liftable LDS systems that raise and lower depending on clearance, helping them balance low-profile access with full room scanning. The Mobius 60 uses a dual-line laser combined with RGB AI, while the Qrevo CurvX relies on structured light, RGB AI, and LED assistance. Both include LED lighting for low-light cleaning and ultrasonic rug recognition for automatic carpet detection. So in practical use, they're both built to intelligently navigate cluttered homes in bright or dark conditions. A major mechanical difference shows up in height and obstacle capability. The Qrevo CurvX is slimmer at 79.8 millimeters or 3.14 inches tall, making it ideal for tight spaces under furniture. The Mobius 60 is slightly taller at 89.5 millimeters or 3.52 inches, but it counters with its Stepmaster System 2.0, using retractable legs to lift over obstacles up to 80 millimeters or 3.15 inches. It can handle single vertical obstacles up to 1.98 inches. The Qrevo CurvX features Roborock's AdaptiLift chassis, which can raise the body up to 4 centimeters and adjust sections individually, but its rated double-layer threshold crossing is 40 millimeters or 1.57 inches. So while both lift, the Mobius 60 is designed to tackle significantly taller barriers. Both also use retractable sensor systems for low furniture. The Mobius 60's FlexiScope navigation lowers its DTOF sensor under tight spaces and raises it in open areas for broader scanning. The Qrevo CurvX uses Retract-to-Sense navigation with an upward rangefinder to automatically adjust its LiDAR, maintaining 360-degree scanning in open rooms and shifting to a tighter field of view under low furniture. On vacuuming performance, the Mobius 60 delivers 30,000 pascals of suction compared to 22,000 pascals on the Qrevo CurvX. That additional headroom can translate to stronger deep carpet extraction and embedded debris pickup. The Mobius 60 uses a rubber plus bristle turbo wave duo brush system with triple anti-tangle mechanisms, while the Qrevo CurvX features a duo divide zero tangling brush design capable of handling long hair up to 40 centimeters. Both support automatic main brush lift, but only the Mobius 60 includes side brush lift. The Mobius also offers a slightly larger dustbin at 300 milliliters versus 258 milliliters on the Roborock. Mopping is where the Mobius 60 separates itself with its mop swap system, which includes 3 interchangeable mop pads. The ThermoHold mop targets greasy kitchen residue, the Plush mop is designed for delicate floors like wood, and the HyperClean mop handles general purpose cleaning. The Qrevo CurvX uses dual rotor mops as well and supports mop extension and 10.5 millimeter auto mop lift, but it does not include a multi-pad interchange system. The Mobius 60 also adds a dynamic suction retention system that lowers a pressure baffle on carpets to concentrate suction for deeper extraction, along with automatic onboard solution refill, which the Roborock does not offer in the same way. At the dock level, both systems automate refilling, emptying, washing, drying, and charging. The Mobius 60 features a self-clean washboard with jet spray board technology and heats water up to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit with 4 adjustable levels. It also includes a dual solution module in the box with dual tanks for automatic cleaning solution management. The Qrevo CurvX uses its multifunctional Dock 3.0 Thermo Plus with 80 degrees Celsius hot water mop washing, 176 degree Fahrenheit dock self-cleaning, 113 degree Fahrenheit warm air drying, intelligent dirt detection, automatic dust emptying, auto tank refilling, and a detachable dock base. Drying temperatures also differ, with the Mobius 60 drying mops at 63 degrees Celsius compared to 45 degrees Celsius on the Qrevo CurvX. The Mobius additionally supports hot air drying for both the dust box and dust bag, while the Roborock counters with dock level dirt detection that can adjust wash cycles based on how dirty the water is. Both support voice control and video supervision for remote monitoring and smart home integration. When you step back, the Mova Mobius 60 stands out for its 30,000 Pascal suction, 3.15-inch obstacle crossing, mop swap versatility, 212-degree Fahrenheit washboard cleaning, dual solution tanks, side brush lift, and higher drying temperatures. The Roborock Qrevo CurvX distinguishes itself with its slimmer 3.14-inch profile, advanced structured light AI obstacle recognition, adaptive lift chassis system, dock dirt detection, and premium dock integration. Ultimately, the right choice comes down to your layout and priorities. If you want maximum suction, taller obstacle clearances, and more mopping customization within a flagship platform, the Mobius 60 makes a strong technical case. If ultra-slim design, advanced AI recognition, and deeper integration within Roborock's ecosystem are more important to you, the Qrevo CurvX may be the better fit.